Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the headlights, the front headlights from a Toyota Avensis from the year 2006 and up. As you can see in the previous video I showed you guys how to remove the front bumper of this car, and now in today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove this headlight. To remove the headlight you'll have two bolts at the top, and after that you'll have this clip at the bottom which you'll have to pull a little just to release the headlight from the mounting support. Then you'll have a lot of cables behind it which connect to each bulb from inside the headlight. To disconnect these cables is a little difficult because the cables have a lot of clips, a lot of special clips which you'll have to pull and push and bend in order for you to remove the cables from behind the headlight. So from here just follow what I'm doing. I will show you step by step what you'll have to do. So as you can see, I removed the two bolts from the top, and now in order for me to remove the headlight completely from the mounting support, I will have to put one hand on the side clip and just pull a little bit the clip into the exterior, because in this way the clip will release the headlight from the mounting support and the headlight will come out from the car. Just don't pull very hard, because if you break the plastic clip, the headlight will no longer sit properly on the car and it will keep moving around, and eventually it will break also the clips from the top and the headlight will no longer be usable. So right here I took something a little sharp just to help me to push the clip from the headlight back and release the headlight. And as you can see, the clip released the headlight, and now what I will have to do is to disconnect the cables from behind it. I think I have 6 or 7 cables, I'm not sure, I will show you guys in a second. Here in this position you will want to take your time, because you don't want to break any clips, because if you break them the headlight and the bulbs will not longer work if they are not sitting properly on the connectors. So here I'm using something sharp just to pull and push the little pins back and in this way it will help me to release the connector easier and faster. So as you'll see, I disconnected all the cables. It was a little difficult to remove this one, but eventually I released it and I removed it properly without breaking anything on the headlight. So this is very good. This is how all the cables are looking. I will give you guys a better look on the cables. So you'll have one cable. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. This is looking very bad, but I will clean it before installing the headlight back on the car. So you'll have 5 cables on the headlight which you'll have to remove in order for you to release the headlight. This is all you have to do. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.